Namaskar, Khushro Bitia. Myself, Javin Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is semen. Semen is a white or grey fluid that contains sperm. It is a collection of fluid from testes, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland. Semen is discharged during sexual act, and the process of discharge of semen is called ejaculation. Nature of semen. At the time of ejaculation, human semen is liquid in nature. Immediately it coagulates and after some time it becomes liquid once again. Secondary liquefaction. Fibrinogen secreted from seminal vesicles is converted into a weak coagulum by clotting enzyme secreted from prostate gland. Coagulum is liquefied after about 30 minutes as it is lysed by fibrinolysis produced in prostate gland. Properties of semen. Specific gravity of semen is 1.028, volume around 2 ml to 6 ml per ejaculation, and it is alkaline in nature with pH of 7.5. Alkalinity is due to prostatic fluid. Composition of semen. Semen contains 10% sperm and 90% of fluid part, which is called seminal plasma. Seminal plasma contains the product from seminal vesicles and prostate gland. It also has small amount of secretions from the mucous gland, particularly the bulbourethral glands. Sperm is the male gamete, reproductive cell developed in the testis. It is also called spermatozoa. Mature sperm is 60 micron long. Sperm count. Total count of sperm is about 100 to 50 million per ml of semen. Sterility occurs when the sperm count falls below 20 million per ml. So this is composition of semen. It contains 10% sperm and 90% seminal plasma. Seminal plasma contains 60% from seminal vesicles and prostatic fluid around 30%. Prostatic fluid contains acid phosphatase, cholesterol, clotting enzymes, fibrinolysin, glucose, lactate dehydrogenase, phospholipids, plasminogen activator, feminin, spermine, bicarbonate, calcium, citrate, sodium, and zinc. Structure of sperm. Sperm consists of 4 parts: head, neck, body, and tail. So in this diagram, you can clearly see this is acrosome and nucleus in head part, and anterior endome and posterior endome of neck, spiral filament and axial filament in body, and this is chief piece of tail. This is tail terminal. Head of sperm is oval in shape with a length of 3 to 5 micron and width of up to 3 micron. Anterior portion of head is thin. Head is covered by a thin cell membrane and it is formed by condensed nucleus with a thin cytoplasm. Anterior two-thirds of head is called acrosome or glea capitis. Acrosome is the thick cap-like anterior part of sperm head. It develops from Golgi apparatus and it is made up of mucopolysaccharide and acid phosphatase. Acrosome also contains hyaluronidase and proteolytic enzyme which are essential for the sperm to fertilize the ovum. Neck. Head is connected to the body by the short neck. Its anterior end is formed by thick disc-shaped anterior end knob, which is also called proximal centriole. Posterior end is formed by another similar structure known as posterior end knob. It gives rise to axial filament of body. Often the neck and body of sperm are together called midpiece body. Body is cylindrical with a length of 5 to 9 micron and the thickness of 1 micron. The body of sperm consists of a central core called axial filament covered by thin cytoplasmic capsule. Tail. Tail of sperm consists of 2 segments, chief or main piece. It is enclosed by cytoplasmic capsule and has a axial thread, terminal or end piece. It has only the axial filament. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.